Welcome back everyone to yet another flight experience. I am flying after a long time and these months a lot has happened. I recently bought a new iPhone, Apple's 2023 flagship, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The buzz about its camera caught my attention and I wanted to try out how I could use it in aviation videography. This Akasa flight from Mumbai to Goa has been completely shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Since I had been late, I didn't get my preferred seat, but I managed to secure a window seat in the F row. After passing through security and climbing one level, I used to spot planes. Since I was already late, I should have headed straight to boarding, but the gate agent told me boarding was delayed since the crew hadn't yet arrived and would begin after 30 minutes. So I took this opportunity to go back to the food court to watch planes. After a few minutes, something inside me told me I should get back to my gate, and when I reached the gate, I was told it was already the final call. How unintegral on Akasa's part to not follow what they say. Boeing 737 MAX 8. This one features the purple seat interior, unlike on my previous flights with Akasa. The cabin does look very appealing in these shades. The seat was very basic and had a very tight and rigid tray table which housed the in-flight menu, safety guard and an air sickness bag.
Vape pens, e-cigars, e-hookah, vaping devices, etc. on board this aircraft.
As we taxiing to runway 927, you can see Air India's Boeing 747-400s parked, which it recently sold off to some company in the US. I hate to admit it, but I never got to fly on these birds. Right after that were the Jet Airways stored aircrafts waiting for their clearance. Looking at all this, I really wonder if the aviation industry could possibly even more unpredictable than the cryptocurrency market. Aerodrome on the right, and right across the Jew Aerodrome, you can see my colleges, VT-YAB and NMIMS. Although Mumbai has been very hot this summer, the day I was flying, it was surprisingly monsoon like and very cloudy. Since there was only the sea covered in clouds visible from my side of the aircraft, I didn't shoot much.
Expect to be on ground in another 35 to 40 minutes, and thereafter another 10 minutes.
Even Goa was. The landing was fierce and made me wonder if the captain was having a bad day. This is Goa's new airport, locally known by many names: Mopa, Goa International, Manohar International, and North Goa being some of them. Also standing at the airport was this beauty, Fly 91's ATR 72 600. I plan flying on it very soon. Welcome to Goa's latest airport. It really does embody the soul and vibe of Goa. Very welcoming, joyful, and energetic. Speaking of the flight, it was nice but unremarkable and uneventful. As for my experience of filming with the iPhone, it was amazingly smooth. There were a few hiccups, but that is more likely because of my lack of experience shooting on it rather than the deficiencies in its capabilities. I hope you enjoyed this flight with me. I also shot my return flight with Air India on this photography powerhouse. Stay tuned to check it out as well.